Get ready to have a blast in Nansha. First stop, Nanbeitai Village, a paradise for photography lovers. As soon as we arrive, colorful graffiti hits like a storm. The village turns into an artistic universe, with surprises around every corner. Next is Nansha Marina. Super cool yachts parked beside ancient forts, and the European-style buildings are perfect for photos. Here, you can enjoy a chill afternoon tea, surrounded by gentle breezes, warm sunlight, and a calm atmosphere. It's the perfect way to unwind, sip your favorite tea, and let time slow down. Unfortunately, Puzhou Garden and Nansha Tianhu Palace are temporarily closed for Lantern Festival renovations. But imagine the twinkling lanterns, and it's worth the wait. The highlight: experiencing driverless cars. It's a journey into the future. Get ready to thrilling experience. Plus, Nansha's transportation is super convenient. You can reach Shanghai, Macau, Hong Kong, and Shenzhen within an hour. It's like having teleportation magic. Thank you for exploring Nansha with me. I hope to see you here soon.